Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix Telegram video not playing. To start, open your Telegram application in your mobile device. Once you are now in your Telegram, head on over to any conversation with a video on it. Now long press on the video and then click on Select. Then in here, click on Forward. Now long press on the video once again. Then in here, on the pop-up, swipe up and then click on Save to Files. Save this video over to your mobile device. Click on Save. Now view the video in your gallery. It should be able to play. Then on the video, head on over to Settings and then go to Documents. Then in here, you could show it in Documents so that you could get a bigger picture of how it's going to be played. Then it should be here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.